X spends 15% of his pocket money on food and 20% of the remaining on a new shirt. If he was left with rupees 1360, how much did the new shirt cost him? Now, this question we can easily solve by the concept of new value is equal to old value into multiplier as well, because these are successive percentage changes. Now we understand that these are successive percentage changes because it is mentioned here 20% of the remaining. So pay attention to the wording of the questions. Okay. Now because there are two percentage expenses or changes, there will be two multipliers. Now it is mentioned that he is left with rupees 1360. That means this amount will be the new amount. Okay. So let's find out the old value first. So 1360 is equal to, let's assume old value as x. Multiplier for the first question, that is 15% expense, that will be 1 minus 15 upon 100 multiplied by 1 minus 20 upon 100. Now both are expenditures, so therefore it is subtraction. So let's solve this further. 1360 is equal to x into 85 upon 100 into 80 upon 100. Okay. Now 85 we can reduce it to 17 upon 20. Okay. Now in the table of 17 we have 136 as well. So 17 eights are 136 and one more zero on it. So 80 gets cancelled out. So we have x is equal to 2000. The initial amount with the person x is 2000. Now X spends 15% of his pocket money on food. So 15% of 2000, that will be 300 rupees. So the remaining amount is 1700. So this is spent on food and this is the remaining amount. Now 20% of this remaining amount he spends on the shirt. So that means 20% of 1700, that will be the shirt price. So zeros get cancelled out. You have 17 into 2, 34, and one more zero. So 340 is the price of the shirt.